Welcome to Compliance Corner from Certrec, your trusted source for regulatory insights and industry compliance news. Today we're breaking down NERC reliability standard PRC-005, which sets requirements for protection system maintenance, helping ensure the reliability of the bulk electric system. PRC-005 requires registered entities to establish and implement a documented maintenance and testing program for protection systems, automatic reclosing, and sudden pressure relaying. Here's what you need to know about PRC-005. Entities must develop a maintenance program with defined intervals and activities for each component type. Maintenance must be supported by evidence of completion and accurate documentation. And failure to adhere to intervals or maintain verifiable records can result in potential non-compliance, enforcement actions, and costly penalties. While missing a test interval or overlooking documentation may appear minor, these gaps can pose risks to the bulk electric system's reliability and expose entities to enforcement actions and costly penalties. To strengthen PRC-005 compliance, utilities should establish a centralized maintenance database to track intervals and completion dates, conduct periodic reviews to verify adherence to schedules, provide targeted training for staff involved in testing and documentation, implement internal quality assurance checks to detect errors early, and leverage automated tools to monitor schedules and streamline reporting. PRC-005 compliance is not just about avoiding penalties, it is about ensuring reliable protection for the grid. For more timely updates and regulatory insights, subscribe to RegSource. Like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit the bell icon. At Certrec, we provide end-to-end NERC compliance solutions for utilities.